Hassop and we're not on them last, and today we are back out in the Peak District and we are doing this amazing walk today. Bakewell, Hassop and the River Wye Circular, 5.8 kilometres. I think it's going to take about an hour and 45 minutes, but knowing us, probably 4 hours in total. We're on the Monsal Trail, let's go!
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue.
So this walk starts on the Monsal Trail where we are now, and it's quite a hectic little thing actually. Do you want to tell us more?
Yeah, last time we were here a few years ago, it was absolutely rammed with people and bikes. In fact, there was one woman that got run over by somebody on a bike.
It was by a kid.
Yeah, admittedly, yeah. But no, if you come here at the weekend, it's just rammed with people.
I mean, not that cyclists are like, they shouldn't have the right of way. I mean, it's free for everyone to use, that's fine. But yeah, it can be quite, it's like, I don't know, an obstacle course really, isn't it?
Scary. I mean, maybe they need to sort of consider bike lanes.
Definitely. So, I don't know about you, but I've got this cold going around. It's a lot of fun. Don't want to just sit around moping inside though. Wanted some fresh air, that's why we're out today. If I sound a bit bunged up then, you know why. But anyway, let's keep going. So right behind me is Hassop Station, a great place to refresh, get a bite to eat, go to the toilet, or even hire a bike. Your choice.
So we've just come across the Trail Code of Conduct, and it says that all users please keep to the left. Well, no one ever does that. And that cyclists keep your speed down, they're not doing that. Give way to other users, they're not doing that, they just whiz past you, nearly killing you. Horse riders keep to walking pace, dogs under control, don't drop litter, and don't wander around in the adjoining properties. So, yeah, keep to the left, but people aren't.
Okay, so right now we are coming off the Monsal Trail and heading left.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
So it's quite windy up here. We just walked all the way up this path. We're just over halfway now, and I must say the views are absolutely banging. Wow, it's just so nice to be out in the Peak District. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying me in the Peak District, videos in the Peak District. Let me know in the comments where I should go next.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye.
So Bakewell is just behind me, and I actually cannot wait to get there. Have a nice Bakewell tart if we're lucky. Yeah.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 AM, and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over,
planted a load of sort of choir matting and posts along the riverbank, and then there's a sign here. It says that our river restoration project aims to enhance the river ecosystem and protect its banks for the benefit of wildlife and the local community. So they're basically restoring the riverbank upstream and downstream up Bakewell Bridge, which is over there. Okay, and because over time the rivers suffered erosion from people and dogs and, you know, wildfowl disturbing the vegetation and that sort of thing. So what they've done is they've used coir rolls, which are made from tightly pressed coconut fibres and wrapped in biodegradable netting for stability. And they're using brushwood bundles from previous habitat conservation activities conducted by elm staff in Sherwood Forest and Carberton Woods near Clumber Park. And there's a new bank being created. Okay, and they're going to use graded stone as well eventually, topped with locally sourced soil to promote vegetation growth. And they're going to add grass and wildflowers and that sort of thing. And the new wild bank will be more resilient to erosion, that sort of thing, and allow the creation of new habitats.
Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it.
So we've just had a lovely stroll down the River Wye and past Bakewell Bridge, and now we're just about 3/4 of a mile away from the car. It's been quite a nice walk today. I recommend it for anyone who wants a nice easy stroll, not too drastic. And yeah, God, it's hot today. Bloody hell. Anyway, let's keep going.
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
Oh, there's loads of them. Oh, look at him, he's gorgeous.
Hello! Oh, we can't get through, do you see? They are absolutely beautiful.
What funny little faces.
So we are now coming to the end of our walk along the Monsal Trail. The car is just down there. It's been a great one actually. I recommend it to anyone that wants to come on an easy stroll, as I said before. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix.